Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change a nickname on Telegram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, go ahead, open up your Telegram app. Now go to chat where you would like to change the nickname. So for example, this is the chat that I would like to change the nickname on. All you have to do is tap on their name right over here on the top, and I'll tap on this edit icon on top right corner. Then you will have the name on top. Now what you can do is you can tap on the name and you can modify it however you would like. So let's say I change it to something else. So there we go, I have changed it. Now I'm going to tap on done on top. Now the name has been changed, and that's where you can do it as many times as you want to any other contact of your choice. That's all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.